of your promises remain the same. You never fail, Lord. You never change.
Covenant keeping God, you are. From age to age, oh Lord, you never change. All of your promises remain the same. You never fail, Lord, you never change.
Say yeah. Oh, Yahweh. Hey.
You are the covenant keeping
You are, covenant keeping God, you are. Whatever you say is what you do. You're not a man to lie. Your words are true. You never fail, Lord. You never change. You say,
covenant keeping God, you are.
whatever you say. Oh, Jehovah, you're not a man. Your words are true. You never fail. You never change. Hey, that's your name, oh Lord. We call you Yahweh. Call his name Yahweh. You are Deuteronomy 7:9. Know therefore that the Lord your God is God. He is the faithful God, keeping his covenant of love to 1,000 generations of those who love him and keep his commandments. Oh, he is a covenant keeping God. Oh, yes, he is. He is a covenant keeping God. By virtue of this covenant, you will rise. By virtue of this covenant, you will thrive. By virtue of this covenant, you will live. He is the covenant keeping God. His promises are yea and amen. He's watching over his word to perform it. That is why he never fails and he never changes, oh God. Oh, you are, yeah. The covenant keeping God. You never fail, you never change. Oh, that's who you are. That's who you are. That's who you are. We call you, oh Lord, Yahweh.
You are the covenant
Hey,
keeping God.
yes you are. That's your name, Yahweh. That's your name, Yahweh. That's your name, Yahweh. That's your name, Yahweh. You are the covenant keeping God, promise keeper, never failing God, never changing God, the indomitable God, the reliable God, oh, dependable God you are. You never change, oh. You are the covenant keeping God. That's who you are. That's who you are. That's who you are. You are the covenant keeping God, promise keeper, Yahweh, Yahweh.